Lots of people I come across say, do I need to understand accounts to buy and sell companies? And I often get these flippant remarks like, oh, I'm not a numbers guy, I leave all that to the accountant. Well, I think it's time, to look at yourself in the mirror and decide whether or not you want to be a successful entrepreneur. Because I think if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to have at least a basic understanding of accounts. And look, it's not complicated. You might have number phobia and be completely afraid to look at financials. I basically learned accounts years ago because I couldn't afford an accountant. So I kind of had to figure out how to do stuff. And I remember one year actually taking a whole bunch of bank statements and turning them into a P&L and then into a balance sheet. And being very proud of myself for doing it. Actually, it was a great sense of achievement, and it had been daunting me for ages, and I did it in about 3 hours flat. And actually, when I sat down and did it, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. And there's so much information out there. I mean, on the Harbour Club, we give you mini guides to understanding profit and loss and balance sheet, but all of that information is in the public domain. You can find, accounting for dummies, you can find courses on YouTube, you can find all sorts of stuff. I would just take a little bit of time and understand it, because it will help you enormously to understand what is going on in the financials in a business. And I don't think you can just be flippant and say, oh, I don't get that, or I don't understand that stuff. I think it's essential that you understand that stuff.